back again with another video. Quick little walk around of the car. If you guys watched the last video, I got the blacked out badges. I know it's a black car, so it doesn't show that much, but I think it looks way cleaner. And I got the car tinted now, by the way, so 15% tint all around. I did not do the windshield, but yeah, that's what the car is looking like. It's coming together, bro. And I also did the blacked out little reflector thing right there, but the car is looking solid, yo. It's my first time owning a black car, and so far I'm loving it. I like the vibe it gives off. I did the double slot kidney grills, white V-brace bars. Y'all can go check out those videos. I made videos and everything. But yes sir, we got a huge job for today. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. You guys can see it came in a box, but I just took it out the box. It's capless downpipe. This is from CTS Turbo. I know everyone usually does VRSF, but on my last car I used CTS Turbo, so I'm just gonna stick with that again. Some of y'all are probably gonna think I'm stupid for this, but I did not get a new gasket nor a V-band clamp. I'm just gonna try to reuse the old ones. I know the V-band clamp, that's usually good enough to reuse, but people usually do the gasket. But I had some free time on my hands today, and I've had this downpipe for a little while just sitting there, and I didn't want to wait, bro, to get a gasket thing, because some people say you can reuse it, but it's just recommended to get a new one. Real quick, I'm gonna give y'all some little revs of the car so you can hear what it sounds like. So this is the last video of my car sounding stock. I can't roll my windows down because I just got it tinted, so in order for you guys to, oh damn, copyright. But yeah, in order for you guys to hear the car, I'm probably gonna have to open the sunroof, because as y'all can see, y'all can't even hear the shifts or nothing. So yeah, I'm just going to install the downpipe. I'm just going to show y'all kind of like the before and after, and a little POV once it's on. Alright y'all, so this is what it's looking like. If you guys have never like worked on a car before or like did a downpipe, the downpipe is down there. It's kind of dark, so I can't really see, but I'm going to let the car cool down a little bit because I was just driving it. Downpipe job is all done, so I'm going to start it up. You guys will hear what it sounds like. This is my first reaction as well. Yo, that's crazy how much of a difference just the downpipe makes. But this is the old downpipe. See how huge that thing is, and it's like that's what restricts the airflow. In the one that's on the car now, it's completely empty. But yeah, bro, car's coming together. Right now I can go stage 2. I believe stage 2 plus with a tune. And if you guys did not know, when you do the downpipe, I am gonna get a check engine light. I don't think it's on there quite yet. Yeah, it's not on there as yet. I can already smell the downpipe smell, bro. Yeah, hold up, I just came back and gave it another rev, and it's popping like crazy right now, so I'll let you guys hear that. Alright boys, so I'm just dropping some stuff off at the Canadian Tire. If any of you guys are from Canada, you should know what that is. Just like some oil and stuff. I'm not even sure if this is the right spot to drop it off at, but yeah, the car is pretty warm right now. That's what it's looking like. This looks crazy, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a nice POV because the car is pretty warm right now. You can already hear some little burbles that was not there before. Let's see if y'all can hear it. Yeah, I hear it a little bit. I doubt you guys will hear it though. Damn, it definitely feels a little bit faster, I can tell that. Yeah, I can hear it a little bit, but I doubt you guys are gonna hear it. Like I said, I'm just gonna get a full exhaust, but I also need the XHP tune. That's gonna really wake up the shifts. But yo, I just saw F82 M4 as well in the Silverstone color, and that shit was nice. But yeah, I think that's the next thing I need. I need to get the Stage 2 tune or Stage 2 Plus, whichever one I can go. There's a Corvette behind me, bro. I don't know if y'all can see it. I wonder if it's a Z06. Let's see, let me go in this lane. Alright, bro, let's see what you got. Yo, that junk is fast, bro. Yo, that thing is fast. I'm pretty sure it's Z06. I wonder if my car was tuned, if I'll be able to beat him. But yeah, I'm pretty much documenting this whole build on YouTube. So if you guys are modding your F30 as well, or any other car, feel free to check out my website. I sell a bunch of modification parts, front lip, trunk lip, diffusers, for a bunch of different models of BMWs and stuff. I also do some other brands as well, but it's mostly BMWs right now. I have things for like the Scion FRS or Subaru BRZ, all the same thing, and for like Dodge Charger and stuff. So I'm kind of expanding a little bit, but right now I'm packed with BMW stuff. I have stuff for like G20s, like the M340i's. I have stuff for the 4 Series, 3 Series. I have a bunch of stuff. So if y'all are modding your car and you want to grab any parts, feel free to check out my website, link in the description, and check out my merch as well. If you guys watch my videos all the time, you know I always talk about manifesting. So I got a manifest merch with the M logo and all. It's pretty sick. Go, bro, take your gap. Let's see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it though. See, if I could roll the window down, would have been better. I feel like you guys can hear it a little better. Yo, X-Drive is no joke, bro. I promise y'all. That shit is fast. Just a downpipe. B58, this thing is crazy. I can imagine when I get a tune, bro. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Maybe in the other POVs I can actually roll my window down. Y'all can see. Do not roll down. More things coming with the build. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. That's one thing out of the way, the downpipe. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it though. I'll catch y'all again in the next one.